How to snooze on Facebook. Now, snoozing someone is similar to temporarily stopping an alarm clock. This means to temporarily stop seeing someone's post on our feed. It's like taking a break from this certain person. When we snooze someone on Facebook, this means that we won't be able to see contents from this specific user for 30 days. Now, in order for us to snooze someone on Facebook, all we have to do is either to search for their account, or maybe we are seeing one of their posts on our feed. So let's say this one right here. In order for us to snooze this specific user, all we have to do is to tap on these three dots on the upper corner of their post and then scroll down until we find this section that says snooze their username. So all we have to do in order for us to snooze this specific person and temporarily stop seeing their post for 30 days is to tap on this icon right here. Now we won't be able to see any of their posts for the next 30 days. And then it will go back to normal after that. So that's how to snooze on Facebook. Hope we help.